morning, teachers and all my friends. My name is Ira Sharma. I study in class 4th C. Today I am going to recite a poem. My poem name is Wonderful Maths. In maths, we do different operations. One of them is multiplication and the other are addition, subtraction and division. But it is not easy. We have to do a lot of revision. In art, we learn symmetry. In maths, we learn geometry. Once I am reading a fable, but my mother called me for doing tables. My teacher was teaching me factors, but my brain was divided into different sectors. Math is the subject that I like the most. If I get all my sums right, I will get to eat cheese toast.